What's going on, guys? Booster Whips here. Today we're going to be installing the carbon fiber antenna. This is direct fit over your existing antenna with 3M, so you guys can see. It's just dry carbon in gloss, so it's full carbon fiber in and out. So today we have an Acura TLX here. We're going to go ahead and install this. This also fits the Integra. Compatible with the Integra, the new DE5. And yeah, just go ahead and get started. All right, the first step you want to do is go ahead and clean the area. I'm going to be using a microfiber towel, so you want to clean thoroughly all around right before, let it dry, and then you want to make sure that the car is cool but also on a warm weather so that it adheres and bonds correctly. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that off. We'll go ahead and peel off the 3M, put it on, and let it sit there until it bonds on there, and we'll give you the final result. I'm gonna go ahead and peel off the backing tape. So once this is removed, we can go ahead and put this over the existing antenna. Backing tape is already removed. I'm gonna go ahead and put this over the existing antenna. Like so. You want to go ahead and push for about 30 seconds or so. And the installation is complete. So you guys can see it's a full coverage, perfect fitment. These are available on our website at boosterwhips.com under the Acura TLX category. If you have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. Thanks for watching as always. And until next time, Booster Whips, I'm out. Have a very pleasant day, and God bless.